Hey there, space lovers! Have you ever wondered what happens when a star collapses in on itself? Well, what you're left with is one of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe, a black hole. A black hole starts its life from the collapse of a massive star. Once a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer fight the force of gravity, and it starts collapsing under its own weight. If the star is big enough, it will collapse all the way down into a black hole. This is when we get the event horizon, the point around the black hole where nothing, not even light, can escape. Once something crosses the event horizon, it's trapped forever. At the very center of a black hole lies the singularity. This is where all the mass is squeezed into an infinitely small space, and gravity is unbelievably strong. Here, our understanding of physics breaks down. It's like the rules of the universe just don't apply anymore. Now, something crazy happens as you get closer to the black hole. Time actually starts to slow down due to a phenomenon known as time dilation. If you were falling into a black hole, you'd experience time moving faster for someone watching from a distance, but for you, time would slow to a crawl. Black holes come in different shapes and sizes. The most common are stellar black holes, which form from collapsing stars that are several times more massive than our sun. Then we have the supermassive black holes, which can be millions to billions of times more massive than our sun. These giants are found at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. There's also something called intermediate black holes, which fall between stellar and supermassive black holes. Scientists think they might form from smaller black holes merging together. One of the coolest things about black holes is the accretion disk. As a black hole pulls in gas and dust, it forms this swirling disk of material that heats up and glows brightly. It's one of the ways we can spot a black hole, even though we can't see the black hole itself. Another clue that tells us a black hole is nearby is gravitational lensing. The black hole's gravity bends light around it, making distant stars and galaxies appear warped. This creates an optical illusion that reveals the black hole's presence. And here's something even crazier: gravitational waves. When black holes collide, they send ripples through space-time itself, like throwing a rock in a pond. These waves have been detected by instruments like LIGO, allowing us to hear black holes merging. But black holes don't last forever. Over incredibly long periods, they slowly lose mass due to Hawking radiation, a theory proposed by physicist Stephen Hawking. This process could eventually cause black holes to evaporate completely. If you were to fall into a black hole, you'd experience something called spaghettification. As you get closer to the event horizon, the difference in gravity between your feet and head would stretch you out, like a strand of spaghetti. So black holes are one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in space. They challenge everything we know about time, gravity, and the very fabric of the universe. The more we learn about them, the more we realize there's still so much to uncover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Got any questions or want to know more about black holes? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.